stop using VPN for TikTok monetization. If you are still doing that, you might be risking your TikTok account without you knowing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to monetize your TikTok account here in Nigeria. No VPN needed, completely safe and real. See, the bitter truth is that TikTok can dictate VPN that is TikTok that is created by using VPN, and your account might get shadow banned, or rather lose access for monetization tools. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we help people to grow their channel. We help people to make money in either Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok. Any updates you are looking for, you are surely going to get it in this channel. So do it by hitting the bell, the subscribe button, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button for more of my content. This thing I'm about to show you, so many creators knows about it, but they will not tell you. Most of them, they want to pay. Have you ever been to some people's page? They'll be like, I sell UK TikTok account, I sell this also account. This is the method they use in creating those accounts. They'll be busy using it to make money on your head. And this is the update I'm about to bring for you that will save you any money that you want to use. Either you have somebody that you want to direct for you to buy a US TikTok account or a UK TikTok account. This is an avenue for you to save your money by watching this video from beginning to the end. I will not take any dime from you. All I just need you to do is just to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. That's all I want, because this video will make a huge impact on you. See, there is something I do tell people: opportunity come but once. This update got to me last week, so I learned this thing. I use it to create 2 TikTok accounts, 2 UK TikTok accounts. You can create US, you can, and because the eligible country for monetization, there are no more than 7: US, UK, Brazil, and so on. The only way you can make money on Nigeria TikTok account is just by going live. But here I will teach you how to create a US or a UK TikTok account here in Nigeria just by using your I'm not going to refer to any VPN, but just using only your TikTok account to create it. So if you are ready, let's dive onto it. My name is Big Joe. Here we go. You just click on your TikTok. You go to the profile corner, then you click on add account. You add account. Then instead of you creating manually, because this interface here is for Nigeria, so you just click on this corner here. You click on it. Now to show you different country. We have Afghanistan. You have different kind of country. You have Algeria. So you look for other US or UK TikTok account, depend on the country you are creating it with. So let's look for, or let's just search it, UK. Sorry, United Kingdom. So look at it here. I've already changed it. This is the location of it. So then if you are using iPhone, it will show you to input your number, your phone number. Then if you are using Android, it will show you to either put email first or you understand. So here we go. We'll put our number. This number has already been used to create this, and what is it called, to create TikTok before. So I'm not sure if it will work. So let's try email. Okay, let's try email. I'm coming. Just give me a moment. Let me allow this browser to work. Just a moment. So you go back here. So can you see it now? So you look for any email. All this email, most of them have not used it on on TikTok. So let's try this one. Let's try it. So allow. So you choose your birthday. My birthday 23 of August. 2000 and yes, 2000. What am I even doing? All right, 2001. Then August. Then here 23. This is my birthday. So you click on it. So here's my name. So mind you now, this name they just brought out from Joshua Christopher. This is my email. They use the name on my email. Easy to do it. So let's click on continue. So I've successfully created a UK TikTok account. So can you see it? So this is my UK TikTok account. So let's go to the setting for you to confirm that it's UK TikTok account. So let's go to TikTok Studio. So can you see, look at how the setting is different. It's different from Nigeria's own. Now come in, let me show you. I'm coming. More paid. Come in, let me show you something. So can you see it? These are what they pay. See, and creator reward program. See, and create videos, then 10 minutes and get rewarded on the views. Look at what they refuse to pay for. Look at what they refuse to put in Nigeria's own. Can you see it? Create video that are more than 1 minute or longer to get rewarded on qualified view. So can you see it? This thing I'm talking about. This UK TikTok account, and this program is not in Nigeria's own. So let me click on it. Let's see more of it. So this is what I was talking. They refuse to put this on Nigerian. So can you see it? So you are close to joining creator reward program. Collect reward for 1 minute video view. More reward for quality content. Monetize and tap for grant. So can you see it? We have be at least 18 years older. Have at least 10,000 followers. Then have at least 100,000 videos view in less than 3. So can you see it? So this is the eligibility for this UK TikTok account. So if this video is of help to you, please send it to your friends and to your family. If this video is of help to you, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks.